And all members, as you can see, even though you didn't want to come with a crowd here, you yourselves, you are personification of crowd. And the crowd has followed you here. On behalf of the national chapter and all the members of the national committee of our party, on behalf of the leaders of our party here assembled in no particular order, and on behalf of the teaming members of Nigerians from all who in the last 5 months have defied all odds and doubts, conquered all doubts, and invested confidence in the dream and vision of this party. On behalf of all of them, I thank you all and I welcome you all specially to the NDC and to my humble home. I want to, on behalf of all of us in the NDC family, one of the youngest political families in Nigeria, I also want to welcome you all to a party that does not know what is called status quo antebellum. I welcome you all to a party for the Nigerian women and youths, to a party of dedicated servants of the people like you are. Thank you very much for coming, and let me assure you, on behalf of our party's leadership, that you, the two of you, are one of the biggest political brands in our nation. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. And so, thank you. And so you can wait. Take it easy. We never start a campaign. Okay. When we start, we will tell them. So you can imagine our pride, our happiness, and our pleasure today that you are leading Nigerians to invest your time and your confidence and your personalities in this party. We are grateful in receiving you, and we know and we trust and believe. We know what you are bringing on board. The Nigerian people know what you are bringing on board to the NDC. There will be time enough for campaigns. There will be time enough when we unfold the political processes within the party. But you know, there is a saying in my place that if you have a beautiful daughter and you have suitors, several of them coming, when you see a very handsome, good-looking, and good-looking doesn't feed a daughter, so you will also be interested in waiting in the pocket. By the time you like that suitor, my people say, you don't even wait. You don't even wait for the bride price to be paid. You don't even wait for the marriage ceremonies to be concluded before you begin to treat that particular suitor as an in-law. Before you okay. Oh, before you okay. In fact, before anything happens, you will say you are not just a suitor, you are an in-law. And I don't want to violate the electoral rules, but we have seen very handsome, very qualified, very suitable suitors. And we can pronounce you already in-laws. The formalities will await. And for all of you who have found time to be here, all of you all over Nigeria who trust and believe them, and who are waiting to hit the streets when the race begins. We thank you all for your support and solidarity to them and to our nation. And to say you should get your loans and get ready. They have come.